Okay, you guys. I made it back to the work area. Where you guys at? I don't see you, man. I'm waiting on you guys. I made it to the work site before y'all did. Okay, you guys, let us get this thing off here. Let us offload. We'll cut you guys back on.
Still one. This is a caterpillar. I guess that's who make this.
Well, you gonna lock that in the backyard. Got the safety bar down, ready. What's wrong? My safety gave the wrong motherfucking key.
1438.3.
Take a picture. Yeah.
I forgot how he said start the motherfucker.
You did?
I'm just turning this up regular. I want to turn it
What's up, YouTube? Y'all know it's the adventures of Sprayway and Raw again. We got the skid steer on the work site. It is a ASV RT40. What we're about to do today, Sprayway is about to start removing this topsoil before we start to spread the dirt. First thing he about to start doing is, y'all remember those trees that we had stump grinded? He finna remove all of this, he finna remove all of the shavings from the, where he had packed it down to cover the holes. He finna remove all that first. He finna dig that out, move it. He planning on putting them shavings. He gonna take it around to the front. He got some holes in his driveway that he wanna get filled. So he just gonna throw that in there. He gonna throw it over in the spots in his yard up the front. So, you know, he can do what it do. Grow grass through it. But this is what we got. A nice little piece of equipment. She drives and operates pretty good. Fun to do. So you guys, y'all know what to do. Y'all stay rocking with us. Majority of this video probably will be in fast mode. Sometimes I might stop and talk to you guys. But for the foremost, hey, it's gonna be live time, fast time sometimes. I'm gonna give y'all live time and I'm gonna give y'all fast time. And without no further ado, here go the operator of the stitch stir. Y'all get up for Sprayway Customs.
You said it wrong again. You said stitch there. You get close, though.
Hey, man, you know I can't help that. Hey, get up for him, y'all. What got a thing you want to say?
They gotta bear with me because I ain't no professional skid steer operator. But I get it, you know.
Hey, y'all know like everything, it's gonna get done.
Yeah, it's gonna take my little thing.
Hey, y'all bear with us. Guess what? We about to let this thing rip with no more time to waste. It's getting dark. So y'all stay tuned and keep watching. And make sure y'all go get that popcorn, y'all. Y'all like how I threw that popcorn in that last video, huh? Y'all let them know about that popcorn. It made you hungry, huh? Made y'all just want to go on down there and get you a lot of popcorn, ain't it? I hope y'all got it ready because we got a lot more videos coming. So y'all stay tuned. Huh? Yeah, I already told him. I done ran that down to him. So all thing that we doing now, we waiting on you. Come in with it. It'll curl in. Yeah. Got that bitch up with it. well, you guys, as you can see, this is how things are going right now. So, the topsoil removal is coming along pretty decent, as you can see. Spray had a rough start, but as you can see, he got the hang of it. He getting the hang of it now. Repetition always make things better. So I'm gonna let this ride right here, and I'm about to get ready to turn you guys on hyper speed. Okay, you guys, after a day of clearing topsoil, this is what we got. For the first time, he did pretty good. It's getting a little dark out, so he decided to cut it off and just wait till the morning. He's gonna get back a fresh start, and he's gonna finish smoothing and removing a little bit, because like right in here it's a little rough. This is where the chips was at, so he want to make sure that they are all out in this area for sure. Or if you guys can remember or not, if you go back and watch the video, if you haven't seen it, watch the tree cutting video and you'll see the tree that was like about right in here. So you guys, y'all stay tuned until in the morning. And he put this topsoil around here close to the fence right here, because we're not gonna be he was just gonna make the pad as wide as it's gonna be for the building. Maybe it's gonna be a little bit over though, but it shouldn't go into this area. So he decided just push this, because remember, he gonna have 10 feet from the fence to the building, so this topsoil won't be affecting anything. So he just decided to set it here until he decide to figure out what he want to do with it. Probably some of this, most of it is gonna probably go around in the front, probably maybe to patch driveway spots he got, and he gonna also put some of that good packing dirt on it, and we're gonna pack her down. So that's what we got, you guys. So until tomorrow morning, y'all get y'all a good night's sleep, crew, and we'll catch you back on.